Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Good Vibes. Thank you so much for each one of you who has watched my previous videos, and if somebody has not watched it, please go ahead and watch my previous videos as well. I'm really grateful for your support and motivation. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. In this video we will talk about we need to take care of our skin to look good on this festival. And also in Diwali times, a lot of us are actually working and doing a lot of household things when we are cleaning things and we are trying to clean every bit of our house, every corner of our house. Our skin gets really dry, dull, and it also gets acne and pimples because of the dirt and everything which we go through. So in this video we will talk about the cleansers and face masks which you can use on your face, which can really work well. I will show you my favorite cleansers and face masks which I bought from the market, and also I will show you one face cleanser which really works great on the skin and it instantly can brighten up your skin. And I will also show you two DIY face masks which you can do it at your home, which is by using very simple ingredients, and it will really be helpful for your skin. So before wasting any further time, let's just get into the video. So let's just first talk about the face cleansers or scrubs which we should be using on our face just to get rid of excess dirt or excess oil on our face. So my first one is this one, which is from Body Shop. It is called Tea Tree scrub. It is a great scrub for people who have acne prone skin. It really works well for these people, and it will also remove excess oil from your face. The next scrub which I will talk about is from Forest Essential, which is this one. Actually I have a travel size tube for this one, but there is a bigger bottle available. If you want, you can buy that. I have to buy that, so I will probably get it soon. This one is called Kashmiri Saffron Neem Face Cleanser. It is a great face cleanser for your face. It is very light, very delicate, and it really cleans your face and excess oil from your face. Now I'm only talking about the scrubs which are for oily skin, because my skin is oily and that's where I only have these products. I do not have the other products which works for normal skin. But you stick to the video, I will show you a quick DIY wherein you can make your own scrub, and that is the scrub which I always go for, and it instantly brightens up the face and clean your face. So moving on, we will talk about some face masks. I have three face masks which I want to show you. There's one face mask which is this one which I got from Nykaa. It is Active Charcoal Face Mask. It is a great face mask. I use it because it just has that charcoal ingredient. So why I use a charcoal mask is because charcoal is really good for acne prone skin. If you have an acne prone skin, look for charcoal with a clay mask. It will really clean your pores, and it will really reduce the oil on your face. If you have a normal skin, then you can probably look for charcoal masks which contain certain types of oil like jojoba oil or olive oil. This will hydrate your skin, plus it will take away the excess dirt which is sitting on your face. So that is my first mask. Moving on, the second face mask which I will talk about is Forest Essential Face Mask. This is their Sandalwood Face Mask. It is a great face mask, but this is slightly expensive. It retails for $17.95, and if you think this is expensive, you can completely skip this, and we will talk about the DIY the face mask which we will actually make at our home and apply on our face, and it really works well too. So this is a great face mask. It has sandalwood. So sandalwood, everybody is already aware. सबको पता है कि चंदन की कितने अच्छे qualities होते हैं. आपकी स्किन पे when you apply चंदन on your face, it will brighten up your face and it will take away the dullness from your face. And चंदन I think इंडिया में काफी सेंचुरी से यूज होता आ रहा है for skin care, so that's why I picked this up. But if you ask me, do I really recommend it? No, I won't recommend it, just because it is very expensive. You don't really have to buy such expensive product, but I wanted to try it, so I've bought it so that I can review for you guys. So the next face mask which I will talk about is this face mask from Body Shop. It is their T3 face mask. I think it retails somewhere around 800 to 1000 rupees. I don't really remember the exact price because I got this long back. It is a great mask because it has T3. Again, T3 helps you in controlling acne and it will clean up your pores, and so that's why I use it. A lot of these products are for oily skin, and since I also get few pimples here and there, and also I used to have active acne sometime back, so all of my masks are for that. So if you have a normal skin, you can completely skip this product and you can probably use some other product. You can use Multani Mitti on your face. It really works well too. And I will show you the DIY which will work for your skin, which is for normal skin. Moving on, the third category which I want to talk about is the lip scrub, which is really neat. The winters have already started, and if we use lipstick dry, chappy, and the scrub which I use is from Forest Essential. It is their cane sugar. I think retails for somewhere around 300 rupees. It is really nice. This is a small tube. It is really great for your lip, and it really hydrates your lip as well. It will not leave your lip dry. So I use this lip scrub often. I mean, in like every 2 to 3 days, my lip that required care in this winter season. This can be little expensive. If you want, you can completely skip this, and what you can do is you can take little sugar and just grind it and mix it with the honey and apply it on your lips, and just gently massage it so that the excessive dry skin comes out and it becomes smoother. Sugar is great for your lip, and plus honey is amazing for your skin, so please do that. Moving on, now we will move on to the most important category, which is the DIY category. How you can make your own mask at home by very simple ingredients which you will already have in your kitchen, and I will show you how to mix those ingredients together to get to a great face mask. And after, when you apply the face mask, you will really feel a difference on your face. So if you try these face masks out, please comment down below and let me know how it worked for your skin. So now let's get into the DIY masks. I will show you 2 face masks which are amazing for your skin. You should definitely try it. And 1 scrub. That scrub can also be used on your lip. It works wonders. This is our first DIY mask. In this you will need some oats, which is grinded. You've just made a powder of it. Then we will need orange peel. This is just the cover of the orange which I ate and dried it and made a powder, which I showed you. Need little milk, as we are already in winters have started here, so we will just need milk to add that softness to our skin. Then we will also need honey. This is the honey which I use. It's royal honey, and what you have to do is you just have to take some oats. This is oats powder. So we will add 1 teaspoon of the powdered orange peel, adding 2 tablespoons of honey into this. We will add some milk. So milk can be as per the consistency we want. We want a creamy and pasty consistency, so we will keep adding milk until we get that consistency. Be 3 to 4 teaspoon of milk, or if it is a table, mix it well. We will mix it well to get a pasty consistency. See, we're getting the pasty consistency. This is what we wanted. And that is it. Now we will take this and we will apply on our face, and I'll show you how it is done. Okay, so this is my face. I have just washed it. After that, I will directly apply face mask. If you want, you can also apply a little gulab gel or rose water on your face and then apply the face mask. So make sure you put your hair back and put a band on your hair so that it does not come in between. After 15 minutes, I've washed my face, and now we will pat dry our faces. So you should pat dry. You should not really rub your face like this in the towel, because then it will really should not be doing that to your skin. Make sure that you pat dry. So that is it. We are good to go. You can see my skin is feeling a little more, brighter, and plus it is feeling softer. Let me know how it works for you. So now we will move to our second face mask. This face mask has besan in it, and this is a face mask which is like very old and everybody uses in our household, or our dadis and nannies have this nuska. So this is something which we will also use for our face, but this one is with a little twist, as I will add some other ingredient as well into it, which probably you would have not heard before. So gram flour, which is besan, has certain properties which actually helps you to fight with infection and acne. Mostly it is because of the zinc which is present in this. So it is very helpful for acne prone skin. We will also use coffee in this face mask. Coffee also has anti-aging properties which really helps you with your skin. So now let's get into the mask. What we will have to do is we will take this besan. This mask can be used on your hands, on your feet. It is really great. We will add the powdered orange peel, which we also used in our previous face mask. We will add 2 teaspoons of honey. Once we've added honey, we will add coffee. This is the coffee which I had in my house, but you can use any coffee. You can use brew, you can use Nescafe, We will take lemon and we will add little lemon. We will squeeze little lemon to it. Once we've added lemon to it, we will add some milk. अगर आपके घर में दही है तो please go ahead and add dahi, which is really great for your skin. Acne prone, then you can skip both milk and the curd as well. You can just probably add little rose water and you can mix and you can make the paste with that, or maybe add some more lemon and make the paste with that. So now we will make the paste. And that is it, you're done. You will leave this for 15 minutes and wash your face. Once you've washed your face, pat dry it. I already feel my skin is very clean and very softer and brighter. After this, you can just go ahead and apply your cream, whichever cream you like to use on your face, and that is it, you're done. So now I will show you a very effective face scrub. This is my go-to scrub which I always use. If you very quick, easy, and you can really do it in seconds, and you are done with it. So for that you will need some rose water. This is from Forest Essential. It is a great rose water, but then it is expensive, so you don't really need this. You can use any rose water which is from Dabur or any other company, or maybe Patanjali or whatever, so you can use that. I will take some coffee. This is a coffee scrub, so I'm taking this coffee which is called Davidoff. Currently I only have this, but you can use Nescafe or brew coffee as well. We will need honey, which I think I've used in almost all my DIYs. Honey is really good for your skin, so we will use that as well. And that is it. So what you have to do is you will take some coffee, depending upon how much you need. If you want more, you can take more. We will need 1 teaspoon of coffee. We don't need more than this for our face, but this scrub can be used on your entire body, so if you want to use it for your entire body, take quantity accordingly. After we've taken coffee, we will spray some. This is a spray bottle, but if you have a normal bottle, so you can add some rose water to it. We will add some rose water here. We are adding that. It is a spray, so I'm just spraying it. Once this is done, we will go ahead and add some honey to it. We will add 1 teaspoon of honey to it. If you want, you can add little more. And I will just start to apply on my face and gently start to rub my face with of my go-to scrub. It is very easy, very quick. You don't really need much of ingredients, and mostly these ingredients are always available in your kitchen. Okay, so we've reached the end of this video. I'm really happy that you've watched this video till now. Thank you so much, and please comment down below and let me know what next do you want to watch. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. Also, please follow me on Instagram. I post a lot of styling reels and IGTVs, and that is it, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you next time.